Always the last thing I'd think about, and first thing in the morning, you know?
Of course.
But Monday I got the papers, had some breakfast, before I realised I hadn't thought about it at all.
Well, it means you're breaking the cycle, changing the way you think. It's not about her anymore.
You know, it's weird since I came out. It's like I'm getting to know myself again. Like for the first time in years, I don't hate myself.
I'm glad. You've made a lot of progress.
But the nightmares,
They will become less frequent.
it's like part of me won't let me forget.
You've no need to forget. You've accepted what you did. You've paid the price.
All her fault. That's what I used to think. She pushed me away and I had to punish her. I used to think it was all her fault.
But you've moved on now. You know better. John? We can't move on if you're holding back. Within these walls, there are no secrets.
2 years ago. She left me exactly 2 years ago.
I see.
Today's gonna be...
So, keep yourself occupied, treat yourself, stay offline.
Come on, I haven't looked for months.
Well, no reason to start now. However, if things get difficult, you're not alone. Here is my mobile number.
Thanks, but I'll be fine.
Will you just let me go back to sleep?
Imogen, come on, it's your last exam. You've got to think about your future.
I have no future. Everyone knows that.
Forget about the article. You're the most gifted, talented person that I know. You can't throw that away.
Do you not get it? I already have. My dad's right. I've ruined my life.
Look, you don't want to waste all the hard work you put in, do you? And besides, if you don't go and do this test today, your mum's going to kill us.
I don't care.
Karen?
Where is she?
Who?
The Queen of Sheba, Cherry. How do you think?
She's on the toilet.
Well, she's not been answering her phone all morning. She's going to get there on time, isn't she?
Karen, I promise. Enjoy your course.
Oh, thank you so much. I will not forget this.
Okay, bye. What are you doing?
Just tidying up a bit.
Will you just go?
Okay, 50 quid.
What?
100 quid.
N-O. No.
Julia, I'm really sorry, but me and Jimmy are going to be late for work today.
Both of you? Why?
It's Immy. She won't...
Well, what?
She won't get up for her exam.
You're not serious.
I'm sorry.
This is ridiculous, Cherry. Does Karen know?
No, she's on a course.
All right, I'll come over.
What?
You both come in.
I am not having 2 members of my staff.
Pandering to a stroppy teenager when they've got patients to see.
But I promised Karen.
I'll sort it.
Dr. Cassidy, it seems that Dr. Clay has been unavoidably detained, so could you see one of his patients before your call?
Fine. Yeah, just give me a few minutes.
Would you like me to get that for you?
It's nobody important.
Is it your girlfriend again?
I need some more pills.
Pills?
Antidepressants, please.
Okay. Would you like to tell me a bit about how you've been feeling?
Dr. Clear knows. He just gives me the pills.
I'm sorry. I'd really rather not prescribe them without getting some sense of where you are emotionally.
Emotionally?
Please.
I'm terrified my abusive ex-husband will find me after I reported him to the police.
I'm sorry, I haven't had a chance to...
I moved away, changed my name, but it's only a matter of time.
Have you taken out some kind of injunction?
Oh, of course I have, but that won't stop him.
Why do you think that?
He was released in March. Today's our anniversary of the day I finished it.
You've obviously been through a horrible ordeal. Have you ever considered CBT? Cognitive behavioural therapy. It's a way of making you think differently about what's happened to you.
That's not going to change the fact that he's coming for me, is it?
Well,
How can I think differently about that?
it can...
He can't live without me. And if he can't be with me, he's going to kill me. Don't you understand?
Mrs. Wilde.
Don't.
Why didn't you answer the front door?
What are you doing here?
Just pretend that I'm not here. It's the only way to get those two to stop pandering to you. They've both got a lot on today.
You're not here to
What?
make me go to my exam.
Imogen, you are a thief and a liar and everyone knows it, so there's no hope for you whatsoever. What's the point? Do you want some tea?
Are you going to be here all day? You know it starts in 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you want me to go? Oh, Julia!
Emmy, please, do you mind?
Okay. Okay.
Sorry?
You win, all right? You win. Thank you so much. Right, just give me 30 minutes, but that's it. I don't believe this.
Sorry, love. We're just about to dig up this road.
We're on our way to a really important exam.
Yeah?
Yeah, and we're very late.
That's a shame.
It's just that we'd be very grateful if you would just let us just slide very quickly round there.
How grateful.
I'm sorry?
How grateful would you
Don't
be?
you get it? This is the rest of my life we're talking about, you dirty old perv.
Emmy.
Well, at least if you are late, it'll teach you a lesson, won't it? Never leave things till the last minute.
Right, we'll go the other way.
I'm going to be late.
Look, if you hadn't had your little performance this morning, we wouldn't be in this mess, would we?
Just take me home. This was such a stupid idea.
Emmy, you are going to that exam. Excuse me? I see you haven't actually started yet.
We're on a break.
Oh, look, I'm really sorry about earlier.
Fair enough. How about you?
Teenagers.
I used to be one myself.
Look, as you are on a break, which I obviously realise you are, I wondered if you would mind if we actually moved that sign ourselves and just nipped past, you know.
It's health and safety, innit? I mean, I'm the only one allowed to move that sign, and I'm on a break.
Right. So you like your burgers?
I love them.
Well, I could get some more burgers for you and your friends there, and then I could drop them off on my way back as a little gesture of gratitude for letting us through.
It's a very kind offer. But I'm watching me weight, you know what I mean?
Okay, that's it. Give me your details. I'm going to make a complaint.
Oh, you go ahead, look. Don't forget to mention how you tried to bribe me. Lack of models today, eh? Hey, hope you turn out better than your granny, pet.
Have you seen Thelma and Louise?
About 10 times. Why?
This is Dr. Rycroft. Please leave a message, and I'll get back to you.
It's me. I think I know where she is. You said you have to...
Yeah, it's fine. She made it.
I said no. There are no more appointments available.
I have to see a doctor.
I think you would be better off going to another surgery.
I need to see someone.
I'm sure I can fit one in before lunch, Mrs. Tenby.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Doctor.
Cassidy. Just give me a few minutes.
You will need to fill in one of these temporary registration forms.
Not a problem.
Come in.
Sorry. I really appreciate you seeing me like this.
Not at all. Now, what can we do for you?
I've got this pain. Here.
Is it a dull pain or a sharp pain?
Sharp.
How long have you been having the pain?
Came on this morning, first thing.
Have you been having trouble breathing? Sorry about that. First of all, I'll have to listen to your heart.
Thank you.
So what brings you to Lethbridge?
An old friend.
That's nice. Yes?
Dr. Cassidy, there is a call at reception for you. The caller insists it is urgent and they would like to speak to you privately. Dr. Rycroft.
You should take it.
I'll return the call.
Take it. Please, I insist.
I'll be right back. I'd rather not be interrupted in the middle of a consultation, Mrs. Tenby.
Do not shoot the messenger.
Yes?
Dr. Cassidy?
Yes, who is this?
I'm Dr. Rycroft. I'm a psychiatrist. I treat a patient called John Manners.
Yes?
Yes, I've just had a text from him saying he's with you. Is that right?
He might be, yes.
But I'd like you to keep him at your surgery, at least until I can get there, if that's okay.
What's going on?
John was released from prison earlier this year. He was arrested for assaulting his partner. I think he's trying to find her again.
To harm her?
Possibly.
I am sorry for interrupting you, but your patient has just left through the fire exit.
I'll call him. come so far. You're doing so well. This is just another test, another hurdle, and you can beat it.
Can I?
Of course. I know you can.
You know, I don't even know if I want to anymore.
But if you can't do it for yourself, then do it for me. Think about how I put myself on the line for you with the parole board. You know why I did that, don't you?
No.
Because I believe in you.
It's just that she's so close right now.
Okay, John, that's okay. Where are you?
Outside the house.
No, the address, John. I need the address. I can help you, but only if you'll let me.
Just you?
I promise. Yeah, I'm heading towards Lethbridge now.
47 Brinkley Close.
Thank you. Just stay exactly where you are. You'll do that for me, won't you?
Yeah.
I'm on my way.
Yeah. Of course I wanted to talk to you, babe, but it's just manic here.
Dr. Cassidy here. Can you call me as soon as you get this message? Sorry.
Excuse me? No, not you.
I'd just like you to meet Daddy, you know?
Yeah, it's just a shame. I'm really busy all the time, babe.
Well, we could do lunch or something.
Busy.
Supper then.
Yeah, still busy. It's this job. I mean, the paperwork's unbelievable. I barely get a chance to leave my desk.
Surprise! Hi.
You two can stop drooling and get back to your business. And you two can stop putting on a sex show in the middle of a public area. It is disgraceful.
Amy?
Beth.
You expecting someone?
When are you going to sit down? You never could resist an anniversary, John. So how did you...
The internet. I tried not to find you.
But you couldn't help yourself.
I changed.
I don't think so.
I have.
So that's why you're here now. Why just let yourself in? You'll never change.
Months of therapy. Everything's so clear now. What I did, why I did it.
I'm glad.
I know now that I'll never, ever hear you again.
But this time you're right. Because I can't live like this, John.
He's got it all.
Yeah. The car, youth, and the girl. What a girl.
It's like God said, hey, Daniel, you're past it now, you're middle-aged.
This isn't happening. I've got to get rid of her.
You serious?
Yeah. She just won't take the hint. 3 times I've binned her off now. She keeps bouncing back. She's like the ultimate boomerang.
I hear you, mate. I hear you. Pretty ones are the worst.
She came looking for me on campus yesterday.
You're gonna have to nip that one in the bud, my friend.
Sooner rather than later.
I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
I'll tell you what, look, get her over, do the deed. Jimmy and I'll have a listen in.
Would you?
Ah, sure. Yeah, give you a few pointers.
Oh, yeah, thanks, guys.
I'm a different person now.
You say that.
It's true.
So you can leave here now. And I'll never see you again. While you're out there, I'll never be able to move on. And neither can you.
No.
One of us has to eat. It's the only way.
Cassidy?
I've called the police. There's no answer.
Did you ever wonder why I left?
Lots of reasons.
I finally managed to go to the police.
You've had enough.
She did something.
Don't.
That made me feel so low, I just couldn't get any worse.
What did I do?
Do you remember? You caught me on the phone to Mum. You waited patiently till I'd finished. And then you told me I was bad because I hadn't asked your permission. And then you threw me down the stairs.
I'm so sorry.
Just to teach me a lesson.
Beth.
And you killed our baby.
What?
I've nothing left to lose.
You said you could never have.
I lied. So who's it gonna be?
I can't live without you, Beth. I can't do this.
Then I've got no choice.
No.
It's better this
It
way.
doesn't have to be this way.
You know don't.
John 7244 to control. I need an ambulance. 47 Brinkley Close.
John, can you hear me? It's Dr. Cassidy from the mill. John?
John, I'm here now. You're going to be all right. Open your eyes. John, what happened to him?
He's not breathing.
Well?
I owe you one.
Yeah, you do. So how did it go?
Can we just go home?
Jimmy?
Please.
That bad, huh?
Look, you have been amazing. But to be honest, well, I might as well have stayed at home.
What have you done? Do you realise what you've done?
Do you actually think Beth wanted to do this?
Well, what do you think?
We better take the wine and the food for analysis.
No.
I put enough online and he found me.
You should have talked to me.
No, it had to end. I can't.
So you killed him?
No.
No?
No. He did it to himself.
Why? Why would he throw his life away?
Because he loved me.
He had a new life, made progress. He was going to be okay. He would have been okay.
You all right?
I should have handled things better.
Don't be so hard on yourself. Look what the years of abuse did to her.
The whole thing sickens me. I'll make my own way back to the police station.
Just a minute.
Right, this is it.
Come in.
Hi.
Wow, you've been busy.
Retail therapy. So?
So, what I was gonna say is, well, you and me.
It's almost been 6 months now. We haven't seen nearly enough of each other.
Good point. Very good point. So, bearing that in mind, I think that maybe we should, play it by ear.
You're funny. What other way is there?
No, what I actually meant was that, we should just see how it goes, because we're both really, really, really busy, aren't we?
Tell me about it. Ergo, we must make more time for each other. It's important. Which is why you're coming for lunch with me tomorrow. What? I won't take no for an answer.
No, you won't, will you?
Tomorrow, 2 o'clock, no excuses. Ciao, darling.
Okay, yeah. Bye, babes.
Well, that went well.
Oh, mate! Daddy.
Oh, you can call me Arthur. Nice to meet you.
There's a wet room at the top of the stairs. Go and take a shower and then wait for me in my bedroom.
It would be like a child in a sweet shop.
Guess who?
What are you doing here?
To see you, silly.
Well, I won't tell if you won't.
Still got it?
After everything you've been through, do you honestly believe I meant to hurt you?
I've been having an affair with your husband.